Regional.
This is
Miss Mara.
yeah.
Regional. Are you okay?
What's that?
Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Miss Dan.
Pistan. Dear family and friends, we have gathered together here at this time to share in the joy and love of these two persons in front of us. Each of you has given something of yourself to help them become what they are, and each of you will have opportunities to give more to them to nurture their new relationship. May the love and affection that has brought them to this point continue to be blessing to them. Please join in the celebration of this special event.
The marriage contract is the most cherished contract in our society because it forms the basis of our social structure. The solemn agreement between Reginald and Chris Mara has permanent legal standing, and we are serving as witness to it. By means of this ceremony, Reginald and Chris Mara will become united in a special new way. To this moment, they bring the fullness of their heart to share with one another. They bring the dreams which bind them together in spirit. They bring their individuality which will preserve, but out of which will emerge their life together. Mayor to the bride, Chris Mara, will you have this man to be your husband, to live together with him in the covenant of marriage? Will you love him, honor and keep him in sick and in health, and forsaking of all others be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
Yes, I will.
Mayor to the groom. Reginald, will you have this woman to be your wife, to live together with her covenant of marriage? Will you love her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
Her. Yes, I will. It said
Her.
there.
Oh. Okay, so
It's your part,
that's your part then.
Miss Mara.
I, Reginald Cutler, take you, Chris Mara, to be my wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or worse, for rich or poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and cherish until we are parted by death. This is my solemn vow.
I, Chris Mara, take you, Reginald, to be my husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or worse, for richer or poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until we are parted by death. This is my solemn vow.
Giving and receiving the ring of marriage. Each of you brings now the symbol of your love for each other. This thing shall forevermore be a symbol of love that you have declared and vows that you have exchanged. The unbroken circle of this ring represents a special faithfulness that you have pledged to each other. Right.
Reginald, I give you this ring as a symbol of my vow, and with all that I am and all that I have, I honor you.
Chris, with this ring, I give you this ring as a symbol of my vow, and all that I am and all that I have, I honor you.
Give the earrings.
I give you this area as a pledge of my dedication to your welfare.
and I accept them.
Now that Reginald and Chris Mara have given themselves to each other by solemn vow, with the joining of hands and the giving, the receiving of or ring, and with us as witness, I pronounce you husband and wife. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
We all of us present today remember that we have seen and witnessed, me each of us, everything within our power to support and instituting this newly wed couple as they journey together to the road of life. Best wishes and congratulations to you both.
Again, a round of applause for you. You may be seated.
Bang, ayaw ka tagaan sunod.
Diyan na po bigay.
Ay, suti, magpatawa.
Siya man na.
Dahil duha ng drama.
Isa na. Tayo man. We're looking forward beautiful, handsome baby boy. Magkuhan, nakipag-umangkot-pot. Australiano ang mga Kite. Wapa ko rin.
Wapa.